Welcome to this tutorial video where you'll learn how to create a due diligence statement on the Dimitra system. Start by going to the Due Diligence Reports page in the left-hand menu. Here you can view all of your existing reports. To create a new statement, click on Create a Report in the top right. If you're a supplier, you'll select your operator. If you're an operator, you'll select your supplier. Next, you can decide who will enter the due diligence information. Will it be the supplier or the operator? Then you enter an internal reference number. This is the number you will use internally to track the statement. The EUDR reference number and the verification number are provided after the statement is uploaded to the EU system. Next, you select the type of activity. Is it a domestic shipment, import, or an export? Next, you select the operator's place of activity. This is where the operator's HQ is. Then you select the country of entry, which is the country that the shipment will first enter from. You can optionally add some comments, and you can also add the container information. Next, you add the product details and the subproduct, which is the HS code. You can also add a comment about the product in the shipment. Next, you have to add the shipment's weight. You can do this in mass or in volume. Optionally, you can add the scientific or common name of the product. Next, you select the country where the product is being produced. By default, you'll have the EUDR deforestation assessment selected. You should also select the regional risk assessment, and you can also add additional statements, which are custom surveys you can create. Now we go to the second step, which is identifying the farm's locations. There are different ways where you can select the farms for this statement. You can select farms that are already uploaded through the Dimitra app. You can upload the farm data by importing a file. And you can select a farm from the existing farms that have already been reviewed. For this example, we're going to upload an external file. You can upload files in different formats and download the file template from here. Once you've selected the file, the system will then identify the geolocations on the map. Click Next and go to the third step, which is the location verification. Here you can review your farms and decide if the locations are correct or if there's any mistakes and you need to remove the farm from the shipment. Once the locations are verified, we go to step 4, where the system then starts to generate a deforestation assessment. This assessment checks all farms for deforestation. In this case, we have 0 deforestation on our farms. You can look at the detailed assessment by clicking on the clipboard icon and going to View Assessment. If one of your farms does have deforestation, you have 2 options. You can either add a risk mitigation document, which shows the mitigation practices that were taken to avoid deforestation or proves that it wasn't actually deforestation, or you can remove the farm. In the next step is the regional risk assessment. Here's where we see if the farms are overlapping with any protected or indigenous areas. Similarly to the last step, you can add a risk mitigation document or remove the farm from the shipment. When we're satisfied with the risk assessment, we go to the final step. You can review all the report information, and when you're satisfied, you click Conclude. Once you click Conclude, you can no longer go back to edit the statement. After the report is concluded, you're provided with a blockchain verification and a pubport. And you can also download the report in PDF or JSON format. Thank you for reviewing this video.